Hey guys, Will here. Hold on a second. Love this hoodie. Hey guys, Will here, and one of the most commonly asked questions on my channel is how do I edit my videos? So for today's video I thought I'd do a quick little tutorial just showing you how I edit my videos. So the absolute first thing I do in the editing process after importing is I synchronize the audio and the video for my A-roll. I find that the synchronize button in Final Cut actually works well enough now for me to rely on it, and it does save me a lot of time synchronizing up things like claps. Now the next step for me is creating my sequences. Most of my reviews are in 3840 by 1620 or 21 by 9, as this gives it a more traditionally cinematic look, but lots of my videos are also shot in 18 by 9, which this one is, and that's 3840 by 1920. Once I've done this, I'll drag in the synchronized clip, do a quick color grading test, then I'll proceed with the edit. I find as I edit, it's generally nice to add in the L cuts while I'm doing it, so the audio sounds a lot more natural and I have a lot less work to do later on. Now usually my A-roll clips are about 20 to 40 minutes in length, so this process takes about an hour and a half, which isn't too bad in the grand scheme of things, but A-roll cutting is one of those things which is just really boring for me. This is why once I've finished A-roll cutting, I generally take a quick break before B-roll cutting, which is actually probably my favourite bit of the entire editing process. Now I know a lot of people like to edit their B-roll to music, but I personally prefer to edit to my voiceover as this really helps with pacing, and I generally try to follow the rule that B-roll shouldn't be more than 5 seconds a cut. I also like to grade my B-roll as I go, as looking at pretty videos really helps keep me focused. After this is sound mixing. Now this is easy. I have a preset, I stick it on and I'm done. Okay, there's a little bit more to it than that. I generally try to record in exactly the same way every time with the same microphone, so I can just use this preset and it will save me a lot of time in post. Next is just more the refining stage, which I actually really enjoy, so that can be sound effects, transitions, or even motion graphics. I find that doing this stage in moderation really helps keep the videos looking professional. So there we go, that's my workflow. A typical review of mine generally takes about 2 days to edit, but once I see the final product, it's always worth it. Thank you for watching. If you want to see a full behind the scenes, so shooting, editing, exporting, everything, please leave a like on the video. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 3K by the end of the year, so every little helps. I'm done for now, and I'll see you guys on Thursday.